Leaders of Germany's incoming governing parties have announced a formal agreement to legalize marijuana, as well as to promote measures of harm reduction through drug policy. The coalition includes the Social Democratic Party of Germany, the Free Democratic Party, and the Greens, stating that new legislation will restrict advertising for tobacco products, alcohol, and marijuana. We are introducing the controlled supply of cannabis to adults for consumption in licensed stores, the party said, according to translation. This controls the quality, prevents the transfer of contaminated substances, and guarantees the protection of minors. In Germany, there is a medical cannabis program and personal possession is decriminalized. However, this goes beyond in moving forward other drug policy reforms, such as drug checking services, where drugs may be tested for harmful substances or contaminants without the consequence of facing criminal sanctions. There are advocates of the separation of medical and recreational cannabis. The supply of patients with medical cannabis must not be restricted or jeopardized by a future controlled dispensing to adults for consumption purposes. We advocate that the medical cannabis market be clearly separated from the recreational cannabis market, which can be achieved through licensed stores, Fried said, CEO of Sanity Group's pharmaceutical subsidiary. Fried would also like an easier marijuana prescription. The authorization requirement of health insurance companies must be abolished to make it easier for patients to access therapy with medical cannabis. Analysts at the Institute for Competition Economics suggest that in fully legalizing cannabis, the country could bring in around 3.4 euros. It could create 27,000 jobs and save the judicial system 1.3 billion euros annually.